Let's see, what time is it? It's time to take in some art and architecture at none other than the place where the water is falling. What is going on? Welcome back to this hobby of ours. I actually have a friend in town from LA who's a bit camera shy, so she's not on cam today. But coming to Western PA, went up to Seven Springs for a bit of Autumn Fest, but also came to Fallingwater, which is like 10 miles away. So we're going to be doing some footage of the water that is falling. And I've got my trusty Tudor Ranger with me, kind of shoehorning in a bit of watch content with an unexpected trip on the day. Of course, wearing the bell staff, what are you going to do? Yeah, kind of unexpected, but taking you along on the ride. I do have to say it's rather commercialized since I was last here as a boy. There's a visitor center. I haven't asked whether or not, for a few extra bucks if I can spend the night. Like the Fallingwater Airbnb version. Do my wrist check. All right, so here we are, Fallingwater tarps, tarp edition. Unpainted portion of the facade portion. Kind of a weirdo. What's the zoom on this? Weirdo statue portion. Yeah, I'm super glad I paid for this one. All right, Hobby of Ours, Architecture's Digest Edition. I have to say, for 20 bucks per person, I was kind of hoping for less tarps and maybe for someone to have come and done the painting of the facade. I don't know if this would make such a great Airbnb after all, to be fair. I mean, the reality is, you're listening to water the whole time. I mean, what would they even charge for that, I wonder? I don't see any fire. It's the tour guide we're not a part of. Didn't pay for the people, the walking tour, just the roam around the grounds tour. Get up in their business. Ooh, they got a bunch of metal kitchen cabinets. Where the downstairs goes. Where the downstairs goes. Oh. Fallingwater Scaffolding Edition. Lovely. Oh, chipmunk. That's nice. Come here, chipmunk. What are your watch goals for 2026? It's coming up. It's going to be here before you know it, bud. To be fair, I didn't know what to expect from coming here. I just happened to be in town with my friend. And I was like, look, need an excuse to wear the Tudor Ranger, right? I'm gonna see if I can go sneak into the house and pretend to be a part of that other tour. It's too bad I don't have my Hobby of Ours press pass badge. I don't know about this. I definitely need to get in there. Oh, that's the reason for the tarps. Those are the people who actually paid to go inside. Chances are they've got a key, that's why. Ooh, there's the falling of the water. More of the nature. More of the Tudor. Well, let's get some more nature. Ooh. preservation in process, more like we need to paint in process. I don't know, still pretty cool. Let me switch perspectives and zoom up in there. Woo. We'll get in there. Now you've seen one magnificent house, you've seen them all. And finally, some watch content on this rock. Looking at this Tudor 39mm Ranger with a very polite 47.5 millis lug to lug, 12 millimeters Svelte, perfect 20 millimeters at the lug width, and 100 meters water resistance with, of course, beautiful sapphire and 70 hours power reserve. This watch is pretty epic and kind of scratches that itch for a larger style Explorer. Because when I bought my new one that was 36, I kind of wanted the larger one, but there's an awful lot of dial real estate on that. And this one kind of does it for me. So, you know, saving some money without having to buy a second Explorer from Rolex. Not that I mind, but it is a little bit on the commercialized side these days. This is an excellent visitor center. But in the 80s, you were just allowed to drive around the building. Hobby of Hours signing off. Fallingwater. They almost had to rename it Falling People. A story for another time. But enjoyed my little stay. Got a quick little review of this Tudor Ranger. Got to document it before I send it off for modification. Keep your eyes peeled for that one. It's going to take me quite a while to do it. I'm going to have a certain dial designer put in a little bit something custom on that dial. So stick around, check that out. Hope you enjoyed this one. A little bit of an odd duck episode. Not quite a rare bird, but kind of a random, lack of a better term, museum trip, which I don't know, I don't do a lot of it, so I figured why not shoot some video while I'm here. Hope that wherever you are in this wonderful, beautiful hobby of ours, you're doing well, that you're blessed, you're enjoying your watches, you're checking out some art, some museums, but no Garfunkel. We will catch you in the next one. Peace. If you'd like to support the channel, head over to hobbyofhours.com. We've got artwork, coffee mugs, hats, t-shirts, and even a watch book. 1001 Watch Designs, Volume 1. Over 1,000 designs in here. Steampunk, super futuristic, kaleidoscope, even super real ones. Watches that you could probably put on your wrist today. It's a great way to support the channel. Thanks for coming along on the ride.